I turned it. It was like,
There it is!
I'm gonna go back.
Oh, this is unbelievable, man.
yeah, let's go back, charge the battery.
You don't need to.
Jamie.
Look at it. I got pause.
Oh my God, oh my God.
I hit pause and all that.
Oh my God. Tony, check it out. Let Tony check it out. Oh my God. That thing's like right there. Whoa.
It's getting brighter now, too.
Dude, I got a 2x lens on
I'm
it.
just saying, you wait till later. Then you're gonna see.
I can't wait till Jamie goes down there.
I can't wait.
Dude, I'm going right now, man.
Is that a car from 5 miles?
Look at it. Look at it one time.
Is it a car from 5 miles away now?
Ooh.
It almost looks like a flame, man.
Yeah, how it flickers.
Yeah, it looks like a flame out there.
Look, it's red on it now.
It's coming real close.
Yep, you see it?